Hello, welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at the new Toyota CHR Limited. This is a 5-passenger crossover in supersonic red, and under the hood you'll find a 2-liter 4-cylinder driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on the CHR includes a facelift on the front end, two-tone paint with the red and black roof. Other great features includes a proximity smart key system, fold-away side mirrors, and a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button. Like I mentioned, this CHR does have a proximity smart key system. So if you have a key fob in your pocket, we can press these 2 lines on the door handle to lock the vehicle, and to unlock it, it's as easy as putting our hand inside the door handle. Take a look in the side mirror. You can see you have a blind spot monitoring system. Take a look inside the door here. You have your power windows, locks, and power adjustable side mirrors. You have this nice silver trim that runs all the way through the cabin to the passenger side door. Take a look next to the door here, you'll find your heated steering wheel. Now this CHR comes equipped with black leather seating. And on the bottom you'll find your power seating adjustment buttons. The CHR is a push to start, so we're going to push the brake in and press that engine start button right behind the steering wheel there. As always, we're going to take a look at the steering wheel features first. Now starting on the left side, you have your audio controls along with your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. On the right side, you have this cluster right here. This allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. Taking a look back on the steering wheel, on the right side you'll find your Toyota safety sense with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control. You have your cruise control speed settings right behind the steering wheel there. Continuing on to our entertainment display. Right now we are on the home screen. On the left side it will display any device that's connected as well as any audio that's playing. On the right side you have your trip information, which you can press on the screen. And here you can also look at your history as well. Now if we go into audio, you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between USB and Bluetooth. Now, if we go into menu, there you have your projection icon for your Apple CarPlay. Now, going into reverse, there's that backup camera for you. Moving down to our climate control system, it is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. On the left and right side, you'll find your driver and passenger heated seats. You also have your eco mode on the top right corner. And lastly, if you move down, you'll find some storage space along with cup holders, and this is where you'll also find your USB and auxiliary. Taking a look inside the back here, right in the door we have a nice little cup holder. Of course, we're continuing with the black leather seating. Behind the front passenger and driver seats, you have these little extra storage compartments, and these rear seats do fold down. There's a little button in the corner here. If we give that a press, the seats will fold, giving you access to your cargo. Now, to access the cargo of the CHR, there's a little button here right under that Toyota emblem. We're going to give that a press and that'll open up nice and easy. You can see you have plenty of storage space in the back. Like I mentioned, there's seats to fold down in case you need that extra bit of room. Also get a nice cargo cover as well. We can look underneath here. This is where you'll find your spare tire and the tools to change that in case one ever goes out on you. Taking a last look at our Toyota CHR, once again, some of those great interior features includes your driver and passenger heated seats, leather upholstery, dual zone climate control system, and a push to start. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.